Guys, it's Roger. I'm on location at the Regency at Palisades. If you reference home site 337, this Benson plan is one of my new favorites. In fact, I woke up today, I had to come see it again. I had some folks here the other day. Look at that architectural detail. Had some folks in here and at the Bent Creek model. In fact, the folks asked me to shoot that Bent Creek model. Just look at that right there. Hey, Jack. Isn't that cool? They had asked me to shoot that Bent Creek model some months back, and that video has blown up. So I'm so intrigued because that model, when you walk in, has a staircase right here. But this is the way it comes without the upper level. You have a very nice sized foyer and a very wide and broad entryway into looking out to the rear, light, the deck. So in the model, and you can reference the Benson by looking at my video on it, there's a coat closet there. In this one, the coat closet's here because there's no stairway going upstairs. And right here is the open, French doors to the study. But this was built as a 3-bedroom. So let's see what that room looks like when it's configured that way. Instead of a French doors there, opening up, and the other one has a bay window right there. This is a 3rd bedroom, 8-foot doors, beautiful. Now, not every door is 8 foot, but you can order 8-foot doors on most of the doors. So you've got a full bath, your typical split ranch, but you're talking gorgeous, guys. I'm telling you, this is gorgeous. This one's available for a quick move. So here's your front bedroom. Maybe that's a workout room for you. And by the way, we toured the fitness center and the amenities center, and they've got a brand new full-time activities director. So, I mean, Regency at Palisades is so cool. And I have just a new love just hearing the salesperson talking about Toll Brothers and their building methods. And my last experience on the next street over, just recently, was good with the builder. So I'm just really pleased. So this opens up to this really great looking kitchen. We're looking basically at 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors in a lot of these doors. And here's something that's brilliant. You're either a formal dining room person or you're not. My wife likes to have it, but how often do we use it? So instead of having a little cramped breakfast space and a dining room you never use, this is a trend I'm starting to see where they're taking this room, look at all the windows. It feels like a sunroom. And saying, let's put a really nice table here. It's right next to the kitchen, right next to the covered patio. And this will be our breakfast room / dining room. I love it. And this is all wide open to each other that way. Because you're going to have an island right here and looking out to the great room. Maybe you have a fireplace there. Now they've opted in this spec model, which is available for sale today. Give me a call at 704-345-3400 to put in this expensive door that opens wide open, opens wide. And yet I've heard people that say, well, we've got quite a bit of pollen down here. I don't think I'd ever use that. The way it comes is with a whole bank of windows right along there, which to me, you could put furniture up against that. So it's your choice if we order this to be built. This one's available for sale and it will be done not too long from now. But I woke up today thinking, I got to go back and shoot that Benson without the upstairs because I may never be able to see one like this again. And then they've got a slider that goes out to a covered patio. And wow, this is just so cool, so beautiful. My cell number is 704-345-3400. I'd love to be your buyer's agent, love to help you. My services are free. Toll Brothers already has it fixed into the price of the home. Now, if you've been to the Bent Creek and looked at the model or you've seen my video, this pantry is not as large as this one. And here's why. In the model, because of the upstairs, they have a coat closet right there with a door on that wall opening from the hallway. That space gets put right back into the pantry. This is huge, guys, and very tall ceilings. Very convenient looking out. And then this laundry room is something to be reckoned with too, because look how big this is. Plus, I always love a window inside of a laundry room, but look how big this bank here is, and this one has been plumbed for a sink. But look at this. If you order this from scratch, think about the cabinets you could put in here, or you could do it after the fact, or just shelves. But this whole little niche, folding table, it's marvelous. So I accomplished my goal today. I came all the way out to Regency at Palisades from Waverly and said, let's do this thing on the Benson. Now we've got this video to show you the one without the upstairs. And then we've got the one from the model to show it to you with the upstairs and that killer backyard. So just type in Benson, B-E-N-S-O-N, into my search bar of my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Please like the video. A lot of things, though, I just want to point out. Look how luxurious that baseboard is, like 7 inches plus. And here's an option for some upgraded casing. Just really neat, folks. This one's obviously got a tray and a crown, but just looking from the back up to the front door, I'd love to help you. Then I think I'm going to put together another video kind of comparing these two, so we'll see what happens. This is Roger. Love to be your buyer's agent, 704-345-3400. If you have a house to sell, my partners and I use video in a different way if we're listing your house. Can't wait to help you with that. And oh, by the way, one more little detail. This LP Legacy with Gorilla Glue technology, it looks to be similar to the Advantech flooring that you may have heard me talking about. I'm impressed, guys. Can't wait to talk to you soon.